Here's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. No matter your purpose, the Pacifica has been carefully crafted to help you achieve more than ever before. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, keyless enter and go, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second-row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.